Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add a car key to your Apple Wallet. First, go to the App Store and search for an app called Pass to You. It should like this and install and open it. Tap the orange plus button at the bottom right. Then choose Apply a Pass template. Use the search bar to find your car model. For example, I search for BMW and tap Done. Pick the digital key that matches your car. Tap it. And then customize it. Enter your NFC number or other details if needed. Once it's ready, tap Done. Then select Add to save it to your Apple Wallet. Now, if I open my Apple Wallet, you'll see the BMW digital key right here. And that's it. That's how to add a car key to Apple Wallet. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.